We are live.
All right. All right. Go ahead, Mark. Do your thing. You don't have any viewers.
It's okay.
All right. Oh, we got Jake watching.
What's up, Jake?
Yay!
What's up?
Hooray!
All right, Mark. So Mark was really insistent on going first.
And me second.
No, Jason, you have to go last because you were last to the call, not counting Johnny. No.
There we go.
Yo! So welcome everyone to Devslopes Standup. We are nearing our landing for completing beta, and I've been slaving away all day. I think the gods of the rain came today to stop me from skateboarding so I could work on this data all day. Because I went to the skate park. I went to the skate park twice to see if it was dry, and it wasn't. And
You probably could have just looked out the window.
I don't know. So anyway, data, migrating old user data from our Firebase to new user data. I am 50% complete. And the other 50% should be done tonight. And I'm going to do this really cool thing where you just start one script and it does all the transformations, all the insertions into the database, all the validation, all with a single click or enter in the command line. And our user data will be migrated, and then I'll do some more validations on it. So we're looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good. It's all working so far. I'm feeling really good about it. Potential problems. The only potential problems we have is if we miss something, meaning like one of the keys that Jason changed. Like if we somehow missed it, that's our only potential problem that we can really have at this point. The second problem is a misspelling. If anything in that data changes that Jason gave me, if anything in there is misspelled at all, that's the only second problem we can have. Everything else is good, and those problems should be easily findable. We should be able to easily find those problems if they exist. Jason assures me that they don't, which is good. So.
Oh, phew. Jason assures me that there are no misspellings.
Confident. Wow.
Anyway.
Wow.
Anyway. Regardless, I will make sure it's all taken care of. And then once this is done, guys, we can close out beta, work with you, Evan, for the launch, and got to get some important emails. I'll start making some copies for our announcement, get our emails ready, everything, email out to, we're going to put everything on developer release. So we're not going to let it go public automatically because I want to reach out to Apple, see if they'll feature us because we got something really cool to bring to the world here. And if they tell us no or they don't get back to us within a reasonable time, then we will release it on our terms. But anyway, that's my report.
Sweet, man. Nice work.
Yeah.
Good stuff, man.
All right, Jason, you can go.
Thanks, man.
Seppi,
You guys see me okay?
okay?
Probably. All right. So today, I have got the first part of Hector's exported with the boosted volume. So all the character modeling videos, I'm like probably 15 minutes away from having the entire section done. It's a fun little process I'll share with you just because. So before I was having issues with exporting the files in Premiere Pro, they were just way super humongous. And then, am I getting two angles here? Look at that, you guys got two angles of me. But anyways, exporting the videos in Premiere Pro were just humongous. So what I'm doing is taking the video files, putting them in ScreenFlow, detaching the audio, exporting the audio into Adobe Audition, selecting where I need the audio boosted, boosting it, saving that, going back to ScreenFlow, deleting the original audio, putting the new audio file in, and then exporting it. So that's my process. It's a little bit shorter than what it sounds like, but it's good. So been doing that all day, and then been diving into this Facebook stuff. I'm just about to create a Facebook campaign for book sales. Doing that, and then plus also doing loads of research on top of that stuff as well. And yeah, that's really what I've been doing today. Just, you know, standard social media stuff and emails, but then the video exports and whatever else I said, I forgot. Facebook campaign. That's it.
Evan, did you plant this 49ers pencil in my house?
I didn't. Whoever did, good job.
I would never even own such a thing. No.
It's Devslopes red or close to it.
All right.
Okay.
Good stuff, Jason.
Yeah, awesome, man. Oh, Jason, I'll get that redemption thing functional for you tonight to test.
All right, sweet. That sounds great. And then Johnny, I'm just about to test the build thing you put out. So
Johnny, why don't you go ahead and go?
Okay, guys, I gotta go.
All right, see you, man.
See you guys.
Peace.
Yes, so today I spent almost the entire time working on the last two bugs. One of the, I think it's the last two bugs. Might have some other little thing in there. Let me see.
You just
Oh yeah, I still got one other little thing. But yeah, so it's this really annoying bug. The table view reload data just doesn't work for the NS table view. I tried not using stack views. I tried refactoring how the configure cell calls were done. I tried everything, but table view reload just isn't working. So I had to find a workaround, and I made a build and sent that to Jason and Evan for testing to confirm. And but I believe I got that fixed. So once they confirm that that's fixed, I'll be able to close out those two cards, and then I only have one other little thing.
Is it a specific Mac fix, or did you do like cell caching?
What I ended up doing was just reloading the table.
Oh, okay.
And that caused problems because what happened was whenever you came back from whenever it was resigned active window, or you minimized, or whatever it was, you know, we have that load user data so that we can sync across devices. And so that would re-download the user data, shoot the notification off to reload the table. And for some reason that I'm still not sure of, it just simply does not work. It's very unreliable. It has completely different results. Sometimes a coin will disappear. Sometimes the description will be truncated. So it's completely random and unreliable. So I wasn't able to determine what the issue was. So instead, I just created a reliable workaround.
Awesome, man. Well, that's good. I'll have to check it out. Are you pushing up a PR with it or not yet?
Yeah, as soon as I get confirmation.
Okay.
I'll test it right when we get off this call.
Sweet.
Johnny.
Yeah, I'll finally be working the rest of the night.
Yeah, me too.
But all right, so I guess my update was I dealt with a ton of merge conflicts. Caleb got a really big PR in today with everything connecting our API, and so it was fun. So that's all working. That's about all I did this morning. And then I drove here, and luckily only got sprinkled on, and I didn't even get wet in baby blue. It was pretty amazing. So now I'm going to work on the redemptions code isn't fully functional. I have to just look at the endpoint. I think the Alamo Fire request is probably just set up wrong. It's giving an error. So I'll be fixing that, and then knocking out my last annoying bug also that has to do with table view reloading, but it's completely different. So I don't really know what's going on. But yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Nice.
How about you, Evan?
Oh, one real quick, just to jump in, I forgot one other thing. We had another 50 or so bug reports. So I went through those again, and I'll get you. I don't think we need to have another meeting probably with everyone on. I'll just send the Excel sheet out on Slack,
Okay.
specifically to Evan. There's a couple iOS things in there too, Jacob. So I'll mark those as well.
Okay.
Cool, man. Yeah, I guess I'll just wait for that. This weekend I had to run around and do a bunch of personal things, so I'm a little behind on some stuff. But yeah, I drove up. I just got in, and I'm gonna be pretty much working all night. So, Johnny, I'm available to test anything for the rest of the night. And yeah, gonna be doing some marketing stuff. Gonna get with Jason later. Get our campaigns all set up and edit some more videos and get ready to push this thing out to the world. So excited. That's all I got.
Sweet. Mr. Vector,
Vector.
the Hector. That doesn't make sense.
All right. I've been working on a lot of behind the scenes stuff, concept art, and I'm recording everything. So when we have those promo videos coming out, and even when we do start working on whichever project we start working on, we're going to be recording everything that we do, especially the visual stuff. So, but yeah, lots of concept art, research, and fun stuff today. But nothing that I can talk about right this moment. So sorry, guys.
It's exciting though.
Yeah.
All right, nice work, Hector. Quick update. Jack is busy recording right now. He's got to get his course out, and I know he's close. Jess just finished a bunch of bugs on the API side for auth merging and stuff, I think. Caleb's been killing it in the tvOS app. And I think, did I miss anyone?
That's it.
I think that's it.
That's it. Yep.
All right, cool. All right. See you guys later.
That's it.
See ya.
See you, man.
Yes, sir.